Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a React native application with JavaScript template. You see that here recently 0.7 version is launched of React Native. So whenever we use this React Native latest version to create our project, it by default language is TypeScript. So whenever you use this command, this React Native init awesome, you see. So whenever we use this command, it used to create the new project in React Native. So I create here React Native init and I say project 1 and I do this. So by default language from the version 0.71 is TypeScript. So whenever this project will create, this project will create a template of TypeScript. You see that now by default template it is TypeScript. TSX extension is there, but earlier it was only JS file. So from the new version 0.71, now the default template is changed to TypeScript. Remember that? But the problem is that if you want to create a project with a JavaScript template, then how we can create that, we are going to learn from this. So I just minimize this. Once again I create a new project, but here whenever I am creating a project, so I need to pass here the version, and here I say 0.70 version. By passing this, you will create a new project but with the JavaScript template, because 0.70 version is JavaScript template. So I need to change the project name also. So here I say project name to project 2 like this. Then I create this, so it will create a project 2 and with 0.70 version means it will create a JavaScript template for this, because in new template we have the TypeScript. So you see that we have a TypeScript here, because from 0.7 version the TypeScript is the default template for React Native. But one more advantage we have here, but if you want to create a component and that component have an extension JSX, so it will not be checked with typed, means you can use any component here in this template with JSX extension also. That is also advantage we have right now in 0.71 version, means this app component is TSX, but you can create one more component with JSX extension and you can add your component within this app component. Means both type of component, TypeScript or JavaScript, you can use right now in 0.7 version, but maybe in future they remove the type JavaScript, they keep only the TypeScript. But right now you can use the previous version 0.70 as I given you here demo. Now new directory, new project will create, and this project will create with the JavaScript template. And you see that in project 2 we have app.js, you see app.js, but in the default we have the app.tsx. So if you want, remember that current version we have the TypeScript as a default template, but if you give the version 0.70 we have a all template and we can work here without any problem. So that's all in this video. I explain you how to create JavaScript template in 0.7 version of the React. Thank you for watching this video.